And remember, sometimes whenever we see a word and it has a sneaky silent E at the end, it makes it say its name. So let's practice. What is this word? Mad. And if I add a sneaky E, made. You flip the sound to make
Those are
a.
silent words, I think.
Now, what about this word? What is this word?
Hop.
All right. And if I add this at the end,
Hop.
well, this is hop. And if I add a sneaky silent E, the E makes it say O. Hope. Hope.
Hope, like hope. She's or he is not missing.
Yeah. What about this one?
Pin.
What if I add a sneaky silent E?
Pine.
If I add an E, it makes the vowel say its name. Pine.
What's
All right. Let's see if we can do a practice a little bit more. What is this?
Cup.
Well,
Key.
let's say the sounds.
Cap.
Cap. And if I add a sneaky silent E, it makes it say A. Cape. You got it.
Cape
So,
or cave.
okay.
Cape or cave. It's like almost rhyme, but
Cave.
I think it's
But you
not.
just have to add V at the end, but
Oh, I see. Yeah, if this was a V, then it would be what?
Cave.
Yes, you're right. All right, so I just want you to remember that strategy. If there's a sneaky silent E, it bops the vowel on the head and it tells it to
Say your name.
You got it.